What's up, everybody? Once again, Jeff and I are back here with another new part. Today, we are going to be talking about our clutch delay delete, which is this cool little guy right here. In a nutshell, we're talking smoother, faster, and more responsive clutch feel, which is fantastic. However, to get a little bit more techie with it, that's why we always have you here, Jeff. What is the more technical terms and answer to the reason to get our clutch delay delete?
Removing the factory clutch delay does add more response. It makes the clutch feel more natural because there's not a restriction when you push it in fast. And mostly when you let it out, this crazy mechanism has this check valve and springs and things that control how quickly it can release. Getting rid of all that makes the clutch feel a lot better. Back in the day, people used to just gut it, put it back together, but it was very difficult to bleed because you have this strange cavity behind the holes in here. And our clutch delay delete gets rid of all of that, so that's a lot easier to bleed because you don't have a weird cavity of air that can get trapped in there.
Sure.
With normal bleeding methods, most people just use their foot to bleed the clutch with a friend. So it makes it a lot easier. That's it. And it looks cooler. You can see that in the car. As
far as part design and functionality, it's a relatively simple one. Well, what about installation? Relatively simple installation? Or?
It's really easy except for the bleeding part of it. So it depends on what kind of tools you have for the bleeder. But if you have a, vacuum type bleeder, it's, less than an hour job. If you're going to have a friend help with pushing the clutch, it might take a couple times, but
okay.
It's pretty simple. I'd say an hour.
Okay, well, hey, grab your buddy and maybe a 6-pack of sodas or something, you know what I mean? And, knock this out in a couple hours on a weekend or something like that, yeah?
Yeah.
What are some of the added benefits of tying in, the clutch delay delete, the shifter detent kit, the super shifter stop? What might somebody expect to see or feel with having that whole little ecosystem?
It all adds to how much better the car shifts, So when you push in the clutch fast, it will disengage faster. It'll shift easier. When you re-engage the clutch, it will be more natural feeling and smooth. So all in all, it's creating better feel to your driving experience.
This is going to mainly improve your clutch feel, like your clutch pedal feel and everything. And then pair that with the shifter detent kit or the shifter stop. And then you kind of tie it all in together with a good clutch feel and a good shifting feel.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, if you guys have any questions, I know this was a little bit shorter video here. If there's any questions we didn't answer or just want to say, how's it going to us, leave a comment down below and stay tuned for some future videos. We've got a pretty decent list of new parts coming out here, so we will be having more videos released. But if you guys enjoyed this video, y'all know what to do.